Hi everyone, I am Rohan Arora and I am currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in pharmacy from Punjab University Chandigarh. I am a student at Hit Bullseye and I have secured 97.51 percentile in CAT 2021. I am here to talk to you about my strategy. So, while preparing, the biggest challenge that I faced was the VARC section. Like every other student, I used to think that I have a good grip in English and VARC will definitely be a piece of cake for me, but that was not the case. So when I started solving RCs, I got goosebumps because I was able to comprehend the passage well, but I was not able to solve the questions properly. I was always stuck between that two close options, which most of you can relate with me. So what I did, like as guided by my mentors at Hit Bullseye, I used to read different newspaper editorials daily. Like I used to follow a pattern. On Monday, I used to read editorials from The Hindu. For Tuesday, I followed the New York Times. And for Wednesday, I used to read Aeon SS. And for Thursdays, Indian Express. Like that, you can follow different newspapers. And most importantly, you have to do 2 to 3 passages daily, which will count to approx 1000 RCs. And that definitely will help you get good marks in VARC section. So while reading the newspapers, I felt that I was getting good at understanding the passages. I was able to solve the questions, and that helped me also build a good vocabulary. And particularly for vocabulary skills, I followed Norman Lewis. I used to read few pages daily, which helped me get a good grip on VARC section. And talking about verbal ability section, there are para jumbles, para summaries, odd one out. So the one thing that you can do for that is practice, because practice is the important key that will help you achieve good marks in VA section, because VA section is definitely a game changer. So what you can do is, like, you can follow 4 to 5 books, or you can get any source, or like you can follow books from Hit Bullseye, and you have to practice 4 to 5 questions of each part daily. So one thing that you have to do is you have to take mocks properly. What I did was I took 36 mocks of Hit Bullseye, and also I solved 9 previous year question papers from 2017 to 2020 that make me well versed with the pattern, the kind of questions that are asked in the paper. So the mocks that were provided by Hit Bullseye were very too much close to that of actual CAT exam, that helped me provide an edge over the other students. So you can follow all these guidelines, and I hope that this will definitely help you in achieving good marks. So I wish you all the best.